Hi friends, we all know that the SBI has come up with a new format of valuation and we have to now prepare valuation under that format only. So I prepared a program for this new format. This will save our time and at the same time the end result will be perfect valuation. So let us start. In this first page we will fill the data from the documents we received from the bank. By clicking this tab, we will enter today's date, then the date of site visit and the date of assignment will be written accordingly. We can change it as per our need. Here we will enter only few character of branch name. Here name of officer who assigned that work. Here the name of village. Name of taluka. Here we will enter the pin code. If this pin code is between some specific numbers, the district name will get automatically written or we can change it as per our need. Here agreement value and here agreement date. Here we will write door number. By entering door number, the floor number will get automatically written here. If you change door number, floor number will be changed automatically. We can change it manually also. Here we will enter wing name or tower name. Here we will enter building name. We will select the survey number or CTS number tab and we will enter data here. Then gut number, plot number, sector number if applicable. Here we will write address in two parts like this. And this. Here the area of unit, click appropriate button here, carpet, built up, RERA carpet or sellable area. Now by clicking this button we will be redirected to map link and the link from where we can derive the price trend. Let us copy this link. This is map link and paste it here. Friends, as mentioned earlier, here is a tab ready with us which shows the price trend of property from different websites like 99acre, Magic Bricks, Common Floor, Housing.com, etc. Here we will select the list of documents received from the bank. If single owner is there, click this button, and if there is more than one owner, then press this button. Write name of owners here. Write contact numbers here. Here we have to write present address of owner. Here we will write name of authority who sanctioned the plan and here the date of approval. If unit has OC, then here we will add OC detail. Here we will select the purpose of loan. Here we will select the type of locality and here we will choose appropriate option. Like this, and this. We will choose appropriate option here and so on. To enter the boundaries of a flat, we have to just enter one character. For example, for margin space, we will just have to write M for margin space. For entrance, you have to just enter E. For adjoining flat, just put door number of that flat. Whole world will get automatically inserted accordingly. There will be no need for peripheral dimension for flats, and so we will click this button. Here we will insert the plot area as per document and as per the site. Latitude and longitude will be inserted directly from the map link we inserted earlier. One can change it also. Here the text detail and FSI etc. will be inserted. Now, in this page, we will insert the data collected on site. We will choose the button as per the occupancy detail. Here we will insert the age of building. If it is under construction unit, then here we will insert 0. Number of floors will be inserted here. Next we will insert the items. Next we will insert the items at these places one by one like this. Specification of flat will be selected from this menu.
Here we can enter the positive factors. And here we can insert negative factors if any.
Now if you want to add details of room, toilets, passages etc., then insert those here. Or you may directly insert the on-site carpet area here. Now let us come to valuation part. If you have cell instances, write down here or put 0 here. The average rate for carpet area will be automatically inserted. If you want to change it, you can change it by unchecking this button. Now the rate for bidding plus services can be inserted here. For flats, here it will be written as not applicable because we derive the valuation by composite rate method. By clicking this button, we will be redirected to Ready Reckoner site with district selected in Ready Reckoner page. Now we have to find our village, then the Ready Reckoner value. This value will be converted to square feet of built up area and square feet of carpet area. Composite rate after depreciation will be here. Total life of building may be inserted here. Depreciation percentage and the depreciation ratio will be automatically calculated. So we have valuation of flat ready with us. We have to just add extra facilities, amenity, etc. here and here. Here we can add description as per the format. By clicking this button, we will get the full report in Excel format. If we want to create stability report or structure report, it will be ready here with us. By clicking this button, professional fees for stability report will be added to the basic bill of valuation like this. Total and amount in words will change automatically. Now let us prepare photograph sheet. By clicking one of these buttons from here, we will have a sheet of photos prepared accordingly. Let us prepare a sheet with 6 photos. By clicking this button, the 6 photos will be arranged in a A4 sheet. Name of owner will be written at the top. As per the need and quantum of work, we can use any number of photos and any number of sheets. Now, if you want to send this report by mail to the bank, we can do it by just pressing this button. It will make a PDF of our report and will send it to bank who assign that work. Body text with owner's name will created accordingly, and the PDF created will be saved in desktop and will get attached here in this mail. We just have to press this send button. So valuation is ready with us to print. You can just take print out of this valuation report. Okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to press like button. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, you can do it now, and please press this bell icon so that when I post new video, it will reach to you instantly. Thank you guys.